So, today our topic for practical DBMS is Oracle Group by Clause. This is Dr. Dibya uh, presenting you the lecture series on practical DBMS. So, Group by Clause. In Oracle, Group by clause is used with select statement to collect data from multiple records and group the results by one or more columns. You should note down that we are going to use this group by clause with select statement. And the syntax for this: select expression 1, comma expression 2, as many as expression you want, up to say expression n, comma aggregate function. This is very important. Aggregate functions under bracket aggregate expression. Okay, so aggregate function and aggregate expression is, I will discuss them first. From tables where conditions then group by expression 1. Expression 1 is this one. Okay, comma expression 2 is this one up to expression n. This is the overall syntax, and you have seen that aggregate functions and aggregate expressions plays major role in group by clause, and aggregate functions specifies different aggregate related functions like sum, count, mean, max, or average functions. And aggregate expression specifies the column or expression on that aggregate function based on. Okay, so they are aggregate function and aggregate expression, that is a part of our group by clause which we are using with respect to select statement. Now, coming to a practical example, say we are going to create a table result 1 with name, our the marks, our grade as their attributes, and then we are going to insert few values to it. You can take a screenshot of this. Well, then we are trying to perform this: select our grade count all as number of students from result 1 where RT marks is greater than 200, group by R grade. See, group by, I am using this R grade. So you know what this overall statement does for you actually. Try to analyze it. Okay, I'll explain. Just wait, I'll go through each of them practically. So first, open your SQL command box. So this is my Oracle database homepage. So opening the SQL command box. So first create this table, run it. So table created, that is the result 1 table with R name, RT marks, R grades as attributes. Okay, and their types are representing here. So var character 2 for R name, RT marks for number, and R grade for var character with respect to their respective size. Then insert few values to them. So I'm inserting them. So 6 overall rows inserted. Let's see this variable. Select all from result 1. This is our table. You see our name, RT, marks with respect to Rahul, 500, our gate, that is first. Then similarly Ovilas second, then Pranamika third. Like that, we have some values with respect to their RT marks and R grade. Now we are going to perform that group by clause. So I have written the statement: select R grade, comma count all as number of students from result 1 where R T marks is greater than 200, group by our R grade. So let's execute it. So after executing it, what we got is R grade number of students, then second, third, first. As second grade, we have got how many number of students? 1. Third grade as how many number of students? 1. And first as how many number of students? 4. So you have seen that number of students, a new column being created with this statement, means using the group by clause. Okay, and there total number of students with respect to grade, means for first grade how many number of students, then for second grade how many number of students. So For third grade, how many number of students exactly we have in the table, we do group by them using the new column, that is number of students. That's how the group by clause works. So do remember that group by clause works with respect to aggregate function and aggregate expression, and is used in select statement. So I hope you have got this lecture. So do practice it with respect to different tables and try to group by them with respect to some new column. Okay. So don't skip the practical. That's all for today. Bye bye.